In 2026, the United States reaches a significant milestone, exactly 2.5 centuries since the signing of the Declaration of Independence. Attempting to process 250 years of policy, conflict, and social evolution simultaneously is a massive cognitive burden. The sheer volume of data exceeds the capacity of any single human mind to synthesize into one clear picture. To fill this information vacuum, we have developed a new reflex. Instead, we turn to an algorithmic synthesizer to handle the processing for us. This reflex begins with a single specific prompt entered into a search field: USA History 1776 to 2026. Selecting New Chat initiates the machine's curation process. At this moment, the software begins selecting and weighing historical events to construct a narrative based on its training data. Querying the national timeline is no longer a search for a static archived record. It has become the trigger for an opaque digital computation of the past. The system's deep research function operates through an instantaneous scrape of digitized historical archives. Centuries of textual records, treaties, speeches, and transcripts are parsed into discrete datasets, funneled into a central processing node. Visual evidence faces the same mechanical logic. Historical images are stripped of cultural context, treated as metric data points, and categorized. Before the system delivers its findings, it presents a mandatory requirement. The user must log in to access the data. By logging in, the user provides the system with a persistent identity, allowing it to record the query and integrate the interaction into a tracked data profile. Accessing the machine's summary of history requires a specific trade. The user must surrender their current digital identity to the platform. This process leads to a direct conflict with the interface's primary promise to get responses tailored to you. There is a practical friction between a shared national history, a set of fixed facts, and a narrative designed to be customized for an individual. The system uses saved chats to profile a user's interests, adjusting historical output to match established patterns. By prioritizing satisfaction, it risks avoiding historical facts that might cause friction, keeping the user within a comfortable information loop. Replacing a single unified national story with millions of personalized accounts risks fragmenting the collective understanding of the country's origins and trajectory. Personalized history shifts the focus from shared facts to individual alignment, essentially turning the historical record into a confirmation of the user's existing perspectives. Before any historical summary is generated, the user must pass the final step, the fine print located at the bottom of the interface. This text defines the entire transaction. By messaging ChatGPT, an AI chatbot, you agree to our terms and have read our privacy policy. While the terms of 1776 were defined in a public, widely read Declaration of Independence, the terms governing this digital history are contained in corporate legal documents. The privacy policy becomes a central component of this exchange, as the machine uses personal data to determine how it presents the national story to the user. Modern citizens make a calculated trade-off, accepting the convenience of automated summaries in exchange for the machine's control. The interface acts as a selective filter for the 250-year American record, with its underlying code deciding which moments merit inclusion in the final summary. Entering the 250th year of American history now involves a new digital social contract, one where algorithms manage the record and we agree to the terms of their curation.